Good morning, good morning. I have a new update for you, but first I want to bring something up. So, do you remember like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago maybe, where Christy Blanchard was posting about the go-kart or the golf cart and how it was free and oh no, it wasn't, we're going to sell it and all that?
Child, since when does Gypsy play golf? Christy says not free, but at the bottom it says it's free.
And then a couple days ago, 3-4 days ago maybe, she came on wanting us to pick out her wardrobe for her California trip.
And saying, I'm going to LA next week. What should I wear?
So I will be going to Los Angeles next week, and I kind of need some help with style. So I'm going for a promotion for season 2 of Just Rose Leg Up and Lock Up.
So we know this story, so fast forward a bit. Then all of a sudden, here comes the plugs and she's ready to sell. Can we say brand ambassador for someone?
It's ultra dark. I'm using this for probably about
That's a
8
killer
months,
tan.
and I really like this one. Getting the face to be tan to match this has been kind of complicated. So I would basically take my knit and take a lifting sponge and kind of dab it on it and then kind of apply it to my face.
So naturally, I see this and the other plug she's making on her account, and I'm like, Miss Gyp, are you broke? Are you needing to sell and work for people? And what happened to not wanting to be an influencer online? I feel like she's trying to plug. So I thought, she needs that moolah. She's broke. Mr. Ken probably told her, get a job or get out. Oh, and don't forget all the promotion for her show coming up. She needs that really bad. But then this morning, I woke up and bam, guess who got what? I love these two. If you aren't following these two, you're crazy. They're hilarious.
Very clever, Gypsy. Very clever.
It is anxious ant crimes.
Yeah. Good on you, Gypsy. It's the only thing that you've actually done for yourself. So I think congratulations that you've actually sat with the test and completed it. Something that you've done for yourself first. Well,
I think she's done plenty for herself. Let's be real.
put in mouth
Let's be
disease.
real. I don't know what you're
Put
saying
in
there.
mouth, yeah.
What has she done? She's
Everything I need.
But yeah, Gypsy sets her mind to something. She does it. She gets it.
I worked hard. I'm super excited. I'm like a lot on this is hard.
What we also
You can barely hear her, but she tells you it's her first car and she's super excited to be a new driver. So I think